Hello friends, in today's video we will learn how to create the school blur effect in Photoshop. So without any further ado, let's jump into this amazing tutorial. To start with, go to Select and choose Subject. From the toolbar, select Object Selection or any other tool to select the areas left. Once done, press Ctrl or Command J to copy it to a new layer. Now, go to Adjustment layer and choose Solid Color. Select the background color as per your liking and hit OK. As you can see, here are some white edges left, so let's fix this first. Click on layer 1 with Ctrl or Command selected, go to Select, Modify and Contract. Change the value and hit OK. Make a copy of this layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Right-click and convert it into a smart object. Now go to Filter, Blur Gallery and choose Path Blur. Here, click to add the path and adjust it. Uncheck the centered blur for a better effect and increase the speed. Check on Edit Blur Spaces to edit it further. Adjust the red arrows as per your liking. When you are satisfied, hit OK. Now, let's add a gradient to it. Go to Adjustment layer and choose Gradient Map. Choose the color as per your liking. Hit OK. Right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask to limit it to the blur layer. Adjust the colors. Now, bring the subject layer to the top. Select both the effect layers, right-click and choose Group from Layers. Duplicate it by pressing Ctrl or Command J and bring it to the top. Adjust its opacity if you want, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, do like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.